For number 20, it says ax plus by equals 12, and then 2x plus 8y equals 60. In the system of equations above, a plus b are constant. If the system has infinitely many solutions, okay, so infinitely many solutions. I'm writing this down because I need you to know what this means. Okay, first let me start with one solution. If it's one solution, that's what it means. If there's two solutions, that's what it means, where the intersections are. Infinitely many solutions means that's one line, and there's so many solutions you can't count because the line is on top of the other line, making infinitely many solutions. Do you get that? That's what it means. So that means that that is equal to that. You can't know that unless you know what infinitely many solutions means, okay? So if that equals to that, let's make it look like it, okay? So that it makes it easier. So how could we make the 12 look like the 60? You could multiply this whole thing by 5, okay? If you distribute that, I'm going to do that. So that's going to be 60. This is going to be 5by. This is going to be 5ax. Okay? Now that I know that 60 is that, 60 is that, this and this are equal to each other. You see? Because they're equal to 60. It's the same line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that line and this line and equate them together. 5ax plus 5by equals 2x plus 8y. Okay? So let's look at our x's first. 5a equals 2. Do you guys see that? 5a would equal 2 because they're the exact same line. And on this side, we know that for the y's, 5b would equal 8. Okay, so we know that 5 divided by 5, a is going to be 2 over 5. Divide out, b would equal 8 over 5. But in this question, they want to know what is the value of a over b. Okay, so a is 2 over 5 over b, which is 8 over 5. So how do you do this? I heard a lot of students use something called KFC, which is keep the top, F is flip the bottom, and then change the sign. It's division sign, so you're going to multiply. So you multiply it by the reciprocal. You can get 10 over 40. This can reduce to 1 over 4, and that's how you do it.